Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time it is that you're joining me for this video. Thanks once again for clicking on the PenBoyRoy Fountain Pen Review channel. The subject of today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Waldmann Voyager fountain pen. Let's get to it. This pen was sent to me by my good buddy Bryce over at Luxury Brands. Luxury Brands is your distributor for Platinum, Ink Miser, Waldmann, Noodler's Ink, Benu, Colorverse, D. Charles Designs, leather products. As you can see, they make some cool stuff. Also, Nebula notebooks. And I got this card with it. Make our day. Enjoy, you good-looking investor. He's got good words. Anyway, they sent this over for review, so I haven't actually opened yet, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. If you want to purchase a Waldmann's pen, they are available with my sponsor, Pen Chalet, at penchalet.com. Please check them out, and make sure you check out the show notes below for important information while you're at checkout on the Pen Chalet website. So, this comes in a typical shoebox style box, silver embossing on the top. I don't know if that's the right word. Whatever. Embossed, embossing. I'm making up new words. And it says made in Germany since 1918. So the brand has been around for over 100 years. We're going to lift up the top, put the top off to the side. We have a front flappy box type thing going here. We're going to take that out. We got a pretend leather textured clamshell box underneath with a metal tabs in front with the brand. We're going to open this up, and what's this? This high-end writing instrument has a cap with a screw system. Please do not pull the cap. Okay, great. Thank you for that information, because I would have probably pulled. And we have the pen. It's like a pen for Ant-Man. It is a pocket pen for sure. It's really cute. It's rose gold. So let's see how, that's a tiny pen. I'm assuming that in order to be comfortable writing with this pen, you have to post it. Posted, it's a decent size. So let's see, the cap has no clip. Finial has the Waldmann logo on it. Let's see how many rotations it takes to cap and uncap. One, just over one. So I'm assuming there's no converter included with this. Usually I gripe about not having a converter, but in this case, they can't fit a converter, not even like the tiny Kaweco ones. This is cartridge only, as you can see. It's actually really compact and cute. I have a feeling my wife is going to steal this from me. Yep, she's probably going to see this, and then this is how she always does it. She'll see a pen that I have that she likes, and instead of asking if she can have it, she'll just thank me for it, and then it becomes hers. It's adorable. All right, let's see what's in the secret compartment. Okay, we have a box of ink cartridges. There's 6 of them in here, branded Waldmann. You got one of these doohickeys. These are the tags. So one of the things about Waldmann is they use sterling silver in their product, which is cool. I like sterling silver. And then we have the warranty card. Okay, so that was the unboxing of the Waldmann Voyager Rose Gold Fountain Pen. I hope you found it helpful. I can't wait to do the full-blown review. This is not a full-blown review. As you guys know, it's just an unboxing. So, thanks again for watching. Love you guys. Be well. Be safe.